Welcome to this course. We'll be building an iPhone app from scratch. Don't worry if you have zero experience building apps or just a little bit of experience. By the time you're done, you'll be able to go and build your awesome apps, and we'll be super comfortable with how to do so and how to use some of these programs. So what I'm showing you here right now is Xcode. Xcode is the program we'll be using to develop the app, and I just want to give you guys a quick walkthrough of the features we'll be building and what your final project will look like. So I called mine Ghost Chat. Again, we're building a Snapchat clone, so you'll be able to do most things that Snapchat can do: create accounts, log in, add friends, view messages, send messages, and they will auto-delete as well. So here's my inbox. I put my email right at the top, seth@rapchat.me. Reach out to me with any questions throughout the entire course. Happy to help and answer any and all questions. The second message down, there's a lame pic of me that will self-destruct. Let's go ahead and open that, and you'll notice that as soon as the picture loaded, we have this loading indicator that's going down, and thank God that picture's gone, the message is gone. Some of the other features, you'll be able to pick from a list of recipients who you want to send a message to. You'll be able to create this message with a note and an image and upload it to the cloud to receive, and then also again sign up and log in, and I'll show you how to make this app look cool, and you can build your own icon and name and colors and all that. So pretty fun stuff. Some of the tech we'll be using is this program for sure. So this is Xcode. This is where most of the work will be done, and you want to make sure that you have Xcode or get that download started. So you can get it in the App Store. It's a fairly large program. It's 3.8 gigs. So like I said, get that download started if you haven't already. It can take a few hours depending on your internet connection. In addition to Xcode, we'll be using Firebase as our backend. And if you're not familiar with like what a backend means, it's basically where all our files will live. All the images, all our account info, etc. will all be stored in Firebase. And Firebase makes it really easy to upload and download and get all that data. If you're not familiar with Firebase, you might be familiar with like Parse. That's recently deceased, but Firebase has been bought by Google. It's a really reliable platform, and they just came out with this new console and kind of new framework, and we'll be using the new framework. So it'll be up to date, and best of all, it's free up to until you have a lot of users. So nothing to worry about there, and it'll be a great technology to leverage going forward to easily spin out some more apps. But yeah, that about runs the gamut for what we'll be using. Again, Firebase and Xcode is where we'll be doing all our work. I show you in one of the videos how to use Git a little bit, which is also a great tool and skill to know going forward. But yeah, let's get started. Let's get right into it. And again, don't worry if you have zero experience. We're going to go step by step, and I'll show you how to do a lot of cool stuff. So glad to have you on board, and let's get rolling.